Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, February 12th, and this is my recap of the top 5 videos of the day. And the US dollar came in number one today, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to check out my full top-down analysis on the euro dollar, make sure to check out the video that I made first thing this morning, linked at the end of this video over here. So we did have a really nice push down today, and we did have a break of structure. To me, it still looks like we have the end of an ABC crescent. I actually think this move up is going to be a crescent to this last move down. I would be looking for a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice big bearish engulfing move to the downside to go short. Kind of looks like it's trying to do it right now. I would prefer to see three waves up. But if this move down does turn into a big engulfing move, I would go short again. I actually think that there's a very good likelihood that this is going to continue down. We do have CPI interest rate tomorrow for the US dollar. I think still the most likely thing is that this is going to be down in this territory down here, and then tomorrow's news is actually going to cause this to go back up. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.